How to contact Prism AI customer support. So first, download and open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here, you'll see many options on your screen, but simply tap on the settings icon located on the top left corner. After tapping on it, your screen should look something like this. Here, scroll down until you see an option called About Prism, and right below that, you'll see an option called Contact. Simply tap on it. Then the app will redirect you to its web page. So from here, you can fill the form and contact their customer service and report about your problems. And it is that easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.